What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to find a lost or stolen Android device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Losing your Android phone can be distressing, but thankfully, Android has a built-in feature to help you in such situations. The Find My Device is a lifesaver when it comes to locating a lost or stolen phone. Before you can utilize this feature, it's essential to ensure that Find My Device is enabled on your phone. You can check this by navigating to Settings, then Security, and finally selecting Find My Device. Make sure it's turned on. If you ever misplace your phone, the first step is to access the Find My Device page by Google under google.com/android/find using a computer or another mobile device. If you're using another Android device, you can also download the Find My Device app from the Google Play Store. Once you're on the platform, sign in using the Google account linked to your lost or stolen phone. After logging in, you'll be presented with a list of devices associated with your account. Select the device you're trying to locate. Upon selection, the location of your device will be pinpointed on a map. If you believe your phone is nearby, then there's an option to make it ring, which works even if your device is set to silent mode. However, if you suspect that your phone might be in unfamiliar hands or in a location you can't immediately access, it's advisable to lock your device remotely. This action ensures that your personal data remains inaccessible. Additionally, you can display a custom message on the lock screen, perhaps a plea for the finder to return it or a contact number they can reach. In dire situations where you believe the phone won't be recoverable, there's a drastic measure available: Remote Data Erasure. This action will wipe all of your apps, settings, and personal data from the device. It's a last resort measure to ensure all your personal information doesn't fall into the wrong hands. However, it's crucial to note that once you erase your device, the Find My Device feature won't be able to help locate it. By leveraging the Find My Device feature and following these steps, you can either successfully locate your lost Android phone or, at the very least, ensure your personal data remains secure. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.